Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Tech Tuner again, and today we're going to talk about week 3 of AI for Everyone, which is basically a course offered by deeplearning.ai. Okay, so we are directly going to the week 3 quiz. So basically these quizzes are based on the lecture video. So the first question of week 3, because a smart speaker can carry out multiple functions such as telling a joke, playing music, etc. It's an example of AGI. Yes, that's not an example of AGI. Okay. There's an AMI example, so the answer will be false. So false answer is correct. What are the key steps to make a smart speaker function? Okay, so we need to trigger word detection, and then speech recognition, and then intent recognition, and at the end, command execution. Okay, so there's a diagram of building a self-driving car image and lots of things. So the question is, what type of learning is this of making a self-driving car AI? This is actually supervised learning. Suppose you are building a trigger, word detection, and want to hire someone to build a system to map from input A to output B. Okay, out of the list, which of the following hires would be most suitable for writing the software? A machine learning engineer or MLE. What is the type of, what's the first step in AI transformation playbook for helping our company to become good at AI? Execute pilot projections, gain money or more. Of the following options, what is the most important trait of your first pilot project? Succeed and show traction within 6 months. Say you are building a smart speaker. You want to accumulate data for your product. So having many units. Without this represent virtual circle of AI. Okay, so first of all, you need to implement more data, then you need more users of the speaker, and then that's better to the smart speaker. So the first why is developing an AI strategy is not the first step of AI transformation playbook? Because without having a special practical AI experience and knowing what it feels like to public or feels like to build an AI project, a company usually do not know enough or know that sounds good. Number 9, according to AI transformation playbook, broad AI training needs to be provided, but not only to engineers but also to executives, senior business leaders, and to leaders within the network. That's it. So which of the following are AI pitfalls? Okay, so AI to traditional planning process to apply without changes and expecting AI-based projects to work the first. These are okay, so that's it for week 3 and plus the week 3 also. So stay tuned for week 4 in our next video, and thanks. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.